Okay, my love. Everybody wanna see me again. Every time I come out the road, I get myself in a trouble. What mistake I bust my breast implant them today, Lord, and the rain is coming out. Where say no, mama must come and make it do it again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. America, Jamaica, England, whoa, Toronto. Me I do it again. Lord Jesus. Why? You feel like a big vibrator on my neck. Why? You feel like a big vibrator on my shocking neck. Oh my God, you know what? I'm gonna try to do this. Can I belly dance, try? I'm getting used to it, guys. Oh, yes. It feels kind of like, it kind of comfy, kind of feel like a heavy fat guy lying on top of my vagina. Something like that. Yeah. Oh my God. Look, America, I'm having snake coming out. Whoa. I used to afraid. I guess I'm not afraid no more. Thank you, Jesus. The first time I did it, I peed my pants right in Utica Square. Today, I'm standing here and my pussy is dry. No pee today, honey. And yes, here I am. The rain I come back and see my belly big. I don't want to do some exercise. I'm going to run because the rain I come. But I'm going to come back if the rain down. I'm going to tell you.
All right.